Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for astrology business. So here let's assume that I have an astrology business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that Facebook lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So now to do this, here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I am using Vati. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for astrology business. So here let's assume that I have an astrology business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to get a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in, but if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send automated WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads, and on my left hand side, these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action application. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for astrology business. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my astrology business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application, and the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads, so here to send an automated WhatsApp message, I'm using Vati. And now the action event will be to send template message. So here you can see as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my Facebook page. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created for my business by the name of Astrology Service. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I've selected my page as Astrology Service, as the name of my Facebook page is Astrology Service. So here in Pabbly Connect, now after selecting the page, I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the two lead ads form that I've created. So let's say I want to use this astrology contact form. So this is how the form looks like, and I want to go ahead with this lead gen form by the name of astrology contact form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select it as astrology contact form. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I have to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to a new tab, and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. So now I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And in my apps, I will go to tools. And in tools, I will go to lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So now in order to do that, here from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page that is by the name of Astrology. So here I'm searching for my page and here it is. And now I'm going to select a lead gen form that is associated with it. So here I'm going to use Astrology contact form. So this here is the lead ad form, and over here I have filled in the details like email, full name and the phone number. So now I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see it says thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. So over here it says your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, here you can see I have received a response. Here is the email, here is the full name, here is the phone number, created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the test lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads, so to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So taking you to Vati, over here I will go to API docs. And in API docs, this here is the access token. I'm going to copy the same, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now for API endpoint, again over here, I'm going to copy it from Vati, and then over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So once I've mentioned the API endpoint and the access token, I'm going to click on save. And now you can see that Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. Over here, I need to mention the WhatsApp number. So as I have received the number from the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to use this process of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here the response received from Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map the number. So once I've done this, now I need to select the template which is to be sent. So taking you to Vati, going to templates. So here I'm going to search for the template which I've created by the name of Facebook lead ads. So this here is the template which I have created by the name of Facebook lead ads. The category is marketing, language is English US, the broadcast title is welcome message, and here goes the body content. So it goes as, hello, thank you for your response. Our team member is soon going to connect with you and will share exciting offers with you on the given contact details. Thank you. So here after hello, I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So this here is a custom parameter. So that means this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So after hello, as I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead, then as per the responses will be received, this name will keep on changing accordingly. So as my name of the template suggests, that is Facebook lead ads. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my template name as Facebook lead ads, and here it is. Now moving to the broadcast name. So as I've mentioned the broadcast title as welcome message. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention the same. And now here moving to custom parameters. So as I've mentioned that in this template after hello, this name is a custom parameter. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to follow the same format that is given in example. So I'm going to copy the same and here I'm going to paste it. So this custom parameter is for name. So I'm going to remove this and mention name over here. And now here in value, I'm going to map the name of the Facebook lead. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here simply I'm going to click on save and send test request to show you the response. And here you can see I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. That means an automated WhatsApp message would have been sent to the lead. So here this is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. Here is the broadcast title, and here after hello, this is the name of the Facebook lead. This is the body content, and it ends with thank you. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the lead which I have just created by using Facebook lead ads. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then by using Vati, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that Facebook lead. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.